Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your NerdWallet account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the NerdWallet website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to delete your NerdWallet account, you need to go to your profile section. At the top right corner, you can see My NerdWallet option. Tap on it. Now at the bottom, you can see the account section. Choose the setting options from there. Now you are in your profile settings of your NerdWallet account. If you scroll down, here you can see Close My Account option at the bottom. So in order to delete your NerdWallet account, you need to choose this option. So tap on it. It will ask you for your reconfirmation. If you really want to delete your account, you can choose this Yes Close My Account option and your account will be deleted. So that's it. That's how you can easily delete your NerdWallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.